Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I got another pocket knife to show you. This is a Schrade Cut Co. Swell center Whittler. Has brown jig bone, and you got your ornate badge there. Your clip point blade with the Tang stamp there. Schrade Cut Co. Walden, New York, which puts the knife at between 1917 and 1946. And then on either side of that blade you have got a pin blade, and then you got on the other side you got a coping blade. And it has a Tang stamp here as well. So thanks for watching. Schrade Cut Co. Beauty of a knife.